Here are two websites where you can get all these funny sounds that you can attach to your video, like this one. Yeah, let's go to my screen, let me show you. So you head over to your browser and search my instance and click search. This first link, you tap it. Here are the sounds. Here are all the sounds. Let's tap this one so that you can see it. Yeah, when anyone you want to download, you tap on it. You tap on the name. Once you tap on the name, you see download mp3 here. Download mp3. You tap on the download mp3. You see download. You tap on the download. It's downloading. That's downloaded finish, so you can still open it and this is it. So as for the second one, you go to your browser again, click on the search bar and search for Real Money Studio. You click search. The first link, Real Money Studio, you tap on the link to open like this. You scroll down. Yeah, here are the sound. So here are the sounds. So if you wanna download it, you click on download page. Tap the download page. Scroll down. You see download mp3. You tap on it or you tap these three dots here and click download. And click another download here. Just started downloading. Open it, has downloaded finish. So that's it.